gonna get enough.
Hey guys, it is Squishy Life here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to a squishy store. This video is going to be a vlog. I went to Learning Express and I found some licensed squishies, so I decided to film some. Yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video and make sure you guys are subscribed because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to be having a really big giveaway and we are so close. So yeah guys, let's get right on into this video.
It's the dream.
I just wanted to show you guys one of the squishies I got. It was this soft and slow squishy. I only got one because they are kind of expensive at Learning Express. But yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for a Daiso clay video tomorrow because I finally got some Daiso clay, so I might make some new slime. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time on Squishy Life. Bye!